Today we're going to be discussing the V-Moda Crossfade Wireless 2 plates, the custom engraved plates that you can have done on any of your V-Moda headphones. Before I start, guys, sorry I haven't really been uploading lately. It's been 2 to 3 weeks. It's because I'm in the middle of escrow, and if you've ever tried to buy a home or sell a home, it is a really taxing thing to do. It takes all your energy, it takes all your time, and when you're in there, it's great. When you finally your new home, that's great. But while you're doing it, it makes you question why you ever bought a house in the first place. So I hope to be updating and uploading more frequently over the next couple of weeks once we move in, which should happen hopefully this weekend, if not next weekend, and then I will be on a regular cycle. So having said all that, let's get to the review. So prior to the 3D headphones that came out, they originally only had the engraved headphone. So as you can see right here, I got some custom made ones. I got the Check 1 2 logo on this side, and then I got my actual logo on the other side. Very cool. These are, I don't know, 5-6 years old, and the engraving still looks really good. Sure, they're scratched up, but hey, that's what happens when you actually use your headphones. Wear and tear happens. But the engraving still sticks on. Like I said, I never baby these headphones. I throw them in a bag, out of a bag. These are my, well, I don't really use them as much anymore, but they used to be my kind of house headphones. I use them when I'm playing Xbox, things like that. But I throw them around. I'm not really careful with these headphones, and the engraving still looks good. A couple of scratches here and there, but nothing that big of a deal. When I bought the Cross Mode, the last video I kept saying Crossfire for some strange reason, and it was really frustrating me when I was going back to re-edit the video. There was a lot of unusable footage because I kept saying Crossfire instead of Crossfade. Crossfade. I don't know why that's so hard for me today, or yesterday, or the week before. But the Crossfade Wireless 2s I got them in this kind of rose gold color, and I opted to go for a black on black look. I wasn't really sure when I was doing the 3D printing how it would turn out, but I decided, hey, you know what, it comes with the printing. It comes with it. It's a free for the first one, so let's just see what they look like. So I decided to do a black on black with my logo and my company logo all on the same plate, and then I have them mirrored on both sides. I'll show you a little close up right now. The cool thing about these is they're actually not metal. They're like it's hard to explain. They're like they're a fiber, and the fiber is printed on. They're actually lighter than the plates that come with them from the factory. So the factory ones, you can choose different colors, but the factory ones are metal. Nothing special about them, but they're real metal, and they come basically basic and plain, as you can see here. The 3D fiber printing are actually lighter than these, which is kind of cool because it's a little more weight off your headphones. Nothing to complain about with that. I love that. You can engrave now on the metal ones. There's a stainless steel metal and precious metals metal, so you can get them engraved in platinum or gold. That costs a lot of money. This was a free upgrade. The printing the metal adds a lot of money. So if you're a big name V-Moda DJ, so you get concerts and festivals and everything else, yeah, you can afford those things. Put a little bling on your headphones. But for me, I'm more subtle. I prefer to have a really kind of laid back look, so I decided to go with the black on black. It takes a little bit longer to do the 3D printed plates. When I ordered them first, I ordered them the first week of January, and they were going to ship immediately. I was going to get them in like 2 to 3 days because V-Moda is actually in LA. But if you wanted to get the plates also installed with them, that was like an extra 2 to 3 weeks shipping time. So when I buy things, I'm really impatient. So I said, you know what? I sent them a little email saying, just ship me the headphones now, ship me the plates when they're done. So they shipped me the headphones with just black plates originally on them. That's on my previous video when I reviewed them. You can kind of see the black plates. They're just a standard metal black plate, but it keeps a really clean look with the black headphones. They came about 3 weeks later, and I popped them on. Really easy to pop on. You have some Allen wrenches. There's these little Allen wrench screws right here. and you just pop them off, put the new plate on, screw it right back on. Takes 20 seconds. Like I said, they're not metal, so they don't feel like metal. They actually feel, there's a little bit of a roughness to them, but they're really, really light. The actual logo and the print came out perfectly. I was really, really concerned that they weren't going to be able to cut through to get that rise as the way they have them on here, but they really, really came out nicely. So I'm really happy with them. I think you'd be happy with them too. So when you buy the headphones from V-Moda, specifically from V-Moda, the engraving and the 3D fiber are free when you order from V-Moda. They will ship them with the headphones or ship them separately. It just depends on you. If you buy them from like an online, like an Amazon or something, you're not gonna get this option and you're gonna have to pay for them. And I think the plates are about $25, $25 to $30 to have done engraved, and I think they're a little more for the 3D fiber. But I think they're worth it. I mean, look how cool these things look. I mean, that's so cool. So, really, really quick video, guys. I'm not trying to take all of your time. I just wanted to show you the difference. I know some people, when they're getting them printed, they are not really sure how they're gonna look. A lot of people are printing them on lighter plates, so they come out better, but a lot of people don't know that black on black is an option. When you're wearing them around, they're not so obvious. And I'm like I said, I'm a real subtle guy. So these are really, really cool. They give that little layer of customization and polish that you can't get from other headphones. But it's not so in your face bling, and that's why I like these. So the black on black is definitely an option. If you guys were thinking about getting black on black and you weren't really sure how they were gonna look, they look fantastic. Fantastic. So, once again, guys, thank you guys for checking out my videos. Also, check out my old ones. I am trying to update quickly. I'm trying to update every couple of days. I'm in the middle of escrow, which is why I haven't posted in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, is because I'm dealing with the whole escrow thing and it's complicated, and I'm actually considering throwing up a vlog on it because it's just, So thanks for checking out the videos. I know you have many choices when you're checking out YouTube. I appreciate that you come to mine. Make sure you hit that like button if you got something out of it, and make sure you hit subscribe to be up to date on when I post, so you're right on time when I post. Thank you guys as always, and if I don't talk to you in the next day or so, we'll talk soon. Have a great day. Peace. Welcome out, YouTube fam. Today we're going to be discussing the V-Moda Crossfade. Today we're going to be discussing the